I'ma show I can do songs too, like just commercial shit and still come with the skills. And I'ma show I can do songs too, like just commercial shit and still come with the skills.
And when you're ready, baby, blast off.
Welcome to the party in my loft.
And when you're ready, baby, blast off.
Welcome to the party in my loft.
And when you're ready, baby, blast off.
Welcome to the party in my loft.
And when you're ready, baby, blast off.
Welcome to the party in my loft.
And when you're ready, baby, blast off.
Welcome to the party in my loft. Relaxing, take your shoes off. We dancing with the lights off. And when you're ready, baby, blast off. Welcome to the party in my loft. Relax and take your shoes off. We dancing with the lights off. And when you're ready, baby, blast off. Catch a girl, I'm glad you can make it. Look at that ass, I hope you can shake it. You know I'm fast, why don't you get naked? Nah, I'm just joking, I'm glad you can take it. Now why don't we slow it down? Let me take your coat while I show you around. I see you're not into the beats and the sounds. Yeah, DVD's in here holding it down. Exist is here too. You know when we get together it's incredible. The flow is fluid, the beats are lucid, and the groove will do it till your body moves quick. So let me get you a drink. It's gonna get hot like you're wearing a mink. Your body thick for a white girl like pink. Better yet, Coco, let's go dance floor. Oh, I love the way you pop that ass so fast, you give me whiplash. Wanna make it wet with a quick splash, cause your body stacked like cold hard cash. And I'm going for broke. You can't rock him cause I ain't no joke. You gon' be fiend out from the first stroke. Ain't no half stepping, I'm Kane on coke. Minus the play girl, I go to work just to save your world. But for now, let's just have a good time. I love the way your waist move to the baseline. And I'm the host of the party, go on and shine. Later we'll toast Bacardi and the whole nine. I knew you look good, but damn you're fine. It's funny how liquor play tricks on your mind. Welcome to the party in my loft. Relax and take your shoes off. We dancing with the lights off. And when you're ready, baby, blast off. Welcome to the party in my loft. Relax and take your shoes off. We dancing with the lights off. And when you're ready, baby, blast off.
Blast off, blast off. When you're ready, baby, blast off. Blast off, blast off. When you're ready, baby, blast off. Blast off, blast off. When you're ready, baby, blast off. Blast off, blast off. When you're ready, baby, blast off.
Hey girl, when did you get here? Your body thick and juicy like it was a ripe pear. I love your dark complexion and your curly hair, plus your wild style and your savoir-faire has got me mesmerized. Though you like the party, well that's really no surprise. Who wouldn't love a space with a dope vibe? Plus good music, man, I feel so alive. What about you, baby? I love your little two-step, it drives me crazy. When you do that shimmy, it gives me a warm sensation like a shot of Remy Martin. I could be starting to fall for you, sweetie, but why be speedy? We got all night, let's just take it easy. When you get started, you know I'm kinda freaky. There's things I wanna do. Vanilla whipped cream on your nipples. The thought alone sends such ripples through me, I move like I'm crippled. But on the contrary, baby girl, I'm quite healthy. I'll show you if you let me, but I doubt if you're ready. Then again, maybe you are. Let's massage and menage under the stars. Jiggle your ass like jelly till I nut on your belly. It's hot in here and we're dirty like Nelly. Let's get it funky till it's stinking smelly. Either in here or up in a telly. My mind is in a frenzy, in a horny state. Let's smoke up a dime until we relate. Welcome to the party in my loft. Relax and take your shoes off. We dancing with the lights off. And when you're ready, baby, blast off. Welcome to the party in my loft. Relax and take your shoes off. We dancing with the lights off. And when you're ready, baby, blast off.
Come on, Zach, man, I want you to meet somebody right over here.
When you're ready, baby, blast off.
No, y'all would like each other, trust me. Oh, look at that, y'all know each other already? That's so cool, that's so cool. Why don't y'all both come with me tonight real quick? Yeah, I want to show you something real quick. Yeah, it's where the magic happens, right here. Yeah, we're gonna blast off. You know what that is? I'm gonna show you, Look at that. Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off. Just get comfortable for a second. You look a little tense. Why don't you take your clothes off? Relax, it's hot in here. Go ahead, you can take your clothes off too. That's good, that's good. I like that. I like that. Let me get some oils rubbed down real quick. How's that feel? That feels good. You like that, baby? I know you like that. Yeah, that feels good to me too. Huh?